How to convert your Word document into a PDF file. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert your Word document into a PDF file. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert your Word document into PDF file, first of all you have to open your Google and here search for I love PDF and click on this first website and just scroll down. And here you can see Word to PDF. Click on it. Click on select Word file and click on media picker. Here you have to select this first this Word document. Click on convert to PDF. And our Word document has been successfully converted into PDF file. So if I want to download this PDF file, I will just click on download and click on continue and just open it. And here you can see I have successfully changed my Word document into a PDF document. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.